Hello, here's the car tuning station. This is the new generation ambient light for Mercedes-Benz W205 C class, GLC class 64 colors ambient light. As you can see here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and with this one bigger one, total 5 boxes, 5 pieces the control box. So let's see how you connect. It is very easy. First, you see this one. This is with the power cable, and you see this one power cable. This is 2 block. Just directly connect to the door module switch. Get the power, and then this coming out. There are 2 ports. Port 1 is for the ambient light. Port 2 is for the LED airvent. If your car install the LED airvent, then need to connect this port 2. Like this, we just install the ambient light, so we only need to connect the port 1 here, and these 2 connect to the door trim. And this one it is used for the 3D tweeter. If your car install a 3D tweeter, then this one used for to switch connect. If no, your car don't install the 3D tweeter, this one no need. Just keep it here, no need. One door, okay, and this is another door, same. This is another door, okay. Already 3 door panels, and also have 1. And this one, the same connection, but you see that these cables, this lamp is different. This one is for the center console ambient light, and for this one, how to get the power? You see here, you need to get the. For this one, get the power. You see here's 12 volt. Need to connect the 12 volt, and this is the GND. So 4 pieces small control box, 3 pieces for 3 door panels, 1 piece is for the center console panel. It is here. This big one, big one. You see that? You can see this one. Okay, to this port here. Get the power. Also connect to the door. This control box usually we need to install to the co-pilot door panel, the passenger door, the one. Get power, and then you see here's the LED 1, here LED 1, LED 2, LED 3. So for the ambient light, we connect to the LED 1. From here coming out, okay, see this 2, yes, connect to the LED trim. And you see there's also this white connector. If this one no 3D tweeter, then we don't need it. Just keep it there, remain it. And then if we connect to the 3D tweeter, you can see from here to the 3D tweeter. Okay, 3D tweeter. This is 3D tweeter. Also 3D tweeter also switch from the door panel module. Finish. Easy. If anyone has question about this installation, you can call us. You can call me. Car tuning station. Thank you.